Well, hey, well, it is lunchtime and we are getting ready to make lamb burgers.
Lamb burgers.
And
That's funny.
we've been using, this is our little small.
Yeah, it's our smaller little fridge, kind of cooler thingy.
So far it's been working really good.
Yeah, 35 degrees right now. And I just opened it, it was at 30.
So far so good. And it has all our yummy stuff.
Yeah. Hey, and if you check, let me wipe it off because it's a little. 29 degrees was as cold as it got.
So, not a bad option for under 120 bucks.
Yeah.
I mean, it's a small space. It's a weekend or
Definitely
at least
a
day
weekend.
trip. So, we're gonna grab our lamb and go from there. Make it real simple.
Simple burger?
We're gonna make patties, and then I'll make a simple salt, pepper, garlic seasoning. We'll go from that.
Cool.
But
Simple's
first
good.
thing, we should throw in our fries
Yes, we should.
because they're gonna take the longest.
Come with us. We're going to the OTK set. Got a little fridge right here. It's not just a set piece.
Yes, it's functional.
It actually works.
So we're using a sweet potato fries today. Really good. It's non-GMO, which is important to us and to your body. So, and they're really tasty.
Yes, they are.
Throw them on the little thingies.
So, air fryer rack. It's just basically a convection oven. Oops.
Yeah, pretty much.
Man down. Throw that in there for about 25 minutes while we make the rest of the stuff.
Woohoo! So, well, do we need the bag still?
Nope. That's garbage.
All right.
Simple. 1 pound of 80/20. Trash can was a little closer.
Yeah, it'd be nice if the trash was a little bit closer, but it's okay. 1/3 pound patties? Quarter? 1/4 pound? 1/8 pound?
Yeah, quarter. No, we'll do third-ish.
1/3-ish. So the process was break it into 4, take 3 of them, take your extra, and spread it between 3.
You can get a scale, you can do all that, but if you're at a campsite or somewhere, are you really going to break out the scale? Use your eyeball scale.
Yeah, your eyeballs are your God-given scale. So are your arms. You can just hold them, kind of.
Yeah.
Compare the weight.
So we're just going to make some patties. Simple. We have an awesome lamb burger recipe that you actually incorporate a lot more stuff into it, but if we're going simple, quick, we want the meat of the lamb to really shine.
Yeah.
Because we're going to make a quick little kind of a Tazatki Ranch using our ranch dressing as the base, because our ranch dressing is the best.
Yeah. Last time, we put mint in it, didn't we? We did like a meatloaf burger with lamb and mint, and
We have that recipe.
we do.
I think it is
good.
on our website.
It is?
I'm pretty sure that one is. If
Oh.
not, now I just made a chore for myself.
Yep. If it's not there, we're gonna have to do it now.
So we got the patties formed. Set those aside. Cut some vegetables up. And of course we're going to be topping it with some feta cheese. But I should turn the grill on. Blackstone.
That was a good
Old
shot.
school. It's not really old school, it's just the OG. Let's just to go with the burgers. Enough for us. Save that for later. That's right, paper plate. So I don't want to do too much dishes. A nice big old tomato. That is a good tomato.
Yeah, that was a really, really good tomato.
Look at how good that tomato looks.
Ooh, and we got some extra tomato right there. Throw some salt and pepper on that bad boy.
Your appetizer.
Yeah.
Salt and pepper on a tomato is actually really good, and it's an awesome little appetizer.
And my little trash can.
Little trash can. Don't put your egg in it.
Yes. All right. So just need to make the seasoning and then make our little Tazatki Ranch dressing.
Yeah, so that's most of the prep. We just gotta do our seasoning like he said.
Look at our little spice area.
I don't think they've seen that yet.
Oh, let them see it.
So yeah, we've got all the spices you could probably want.
We got more in the back.
Yeah, I was about to say, that's not all of our spices either.
I'm doing a little coarse ground pepper, half teaspoon of salt, of smoked salt, quarter teaspoon of garlic salt.
Ooh.
And it's pretty simple,
Light and fresh.
and it goes good on a lot of meats. So if you don't want to go to a whole lot of trouble, because it's lunchtime. There's a lot of activities that we want to get done today. So we can't take like 5 hours making lunch. Be generous with seasonings. And we'll let that sit for a minute. When we throw them on the grill, we'll season the other side. Simple as that. Now for our sauce, I'm gonna take a little cucumber and grate it in a bowl. Because it's great.
That was a great joke.
Typically, I would put this in a paper towel and squeeze all the moisture out, but
It's a quick lunch.
yeah.
now.
And it shows that you don't have to be super technical all the time.
Yeah. You don't always have to be making a piano.
Exactly. And then we got some fresh dill. We're gonna add to it. And some lemon juice. About half a lemon.
That smells so good.
So fresh. And it goes great with lamb. Then we got our ranch dressing.
Which is on our website. And it's awesome.
So take, I'd say about a cup, a heavy cup. And then the rest we're gonna make a slaw out of it for pulled pork sandwiches. But that's another video. Basically mix this up. I'm gonna grab the pepper.
Yeah.
See, yummy. That's a quick, fast, just grind some pepper. It's like a cheater tzatziki. All right, you wanna give that a taste?
Yes, I do.
All right. How's it?
That is good.
Well, of course it is. We made it. Did you double dip?
No.
Start over. Good?
Yeah.
See? It's good. All right.
Very fresh.
I just gotta grab 2 buns. You throw the meat down.
Cool.
Got a timer. It's gonna be about 3 minutes per side. Then we'll crumble some feta cheese and we'll toast the buns. And hopefully our fries will be done.
Time to drop the meat. Maybe this would be good. Hey, it is.
Ooh. Very nice.
Sometimes you just gotta.
Yeah, we all know. Oh, how's my hair today? Awful. So really, see, that is quick, fast, and
Yeah, I mean, our fries still aren't done
a
yet.
few more minutes. Oh, I need the cheese though.
That was cheesy. Ooh, it's a tomato and basil feta. Wow, yeah.
I'll go good with lamb.
Man, people that say they don't like cheese, doesn't make sense.
Yeah, well, because there's so many different kinds of cheese.
Yeah, I mean, that is way different than cheddar. Way different.
Cheese has different textures, different everything.
Let's look at these patties.
And I'm gonna cut the cheese.
Oh my God, he's about to cut the cheese. Do you smell that?
Sorry, couldn't help myself.
He's cutting the cheese.
All right, that's probably enough feta.
I'll be the judge of that.
Ooh, dip it in the little.
Oh my goodness, that's an awesome idea.
Cheese boom.
Wow.
Yeah, that's good.
Those little cucumbers have
Yeah.
good flavor.
They do. Non-GMO again.
We try our best to not buy GMO.
We tried. We want to live a little longer.
Yeah.
Oh, we need to season that one side. Once it's down, we'll give it a nice seasoning on this side.
Yummy.
Get cleaned up. Are you gonna eat all the cheese? No.
Saving our onion.
Yep.
Use that for our pulled pork sandwiches.
We're gonna put some in our slaw.
Yeah.
Is that enough cheese for?
That's fine, because you can do 2.5 or 3, basically.
Depends how many more you eat.
Yeah. Will there be enough cheese? We'll find out.
Stay tuned. Got cheese all over it. Time to flip them.
Yeah.
Freeze up. How are they looking?
They are looking delicious.
Also, see, it's going so fast. We're barely 20 minutes in. 5 more minutes, the fries will be done. Burgers will be perfect. We'll be ready to eat. So, less than half an hour, you can have lunch.
Yeah.
Can you go to McDonald's and wait in line? Chick-fil-A? Maybe they're pretty efficient, but
Yeah. Well, I don't know. I mean, sometimes those lines are pretty dang long.
are you gonna get a good healthy burger?
That's the most
important thing really is, are you going to be eating healthy? 30 minutes? I mean, it's going to be 30 minutes whether you're cooking for 2 people or 6 people. As long as you have a big enough cooking service.
All right, got the buns warming. Yes, it's important. Keep your work area clean. It'll make it so much better and more enjoyable and easier to stay organized.
It'll keep you efficient, that's for sure. I'm excited for this burger.
Well, after that timer goes off, we'll throw cheese on.
We got 1 minute and 20 seconds.
Pepper.
It didn't really matter. If you want to do dishes, grab a glass one. If you don't, grab a paper. It doesn't have to be fancy. That lamb smells delicious.
And of course, we're doing about 6-7 minutes total cook time for medium rare medium. If you want to go a little higher, feel free to, at about 1 minute each side.
It might actually end up being about 8 minutes because the cheese melt, right?
Yeah, so we'll about hit hopefully medium.
Yeah, we'll probably hit about a medium.
Nice and
That's
toasty.
good.
Yeah, you really can't. Ooh, I can just picked up some of that bread smell.
There's Lobby.
Time for that cheese.
Oh, time to get cheesy.
I don't even know where to put that timer, but it's not shutting off.
It's hanging on our spoon. That looks good.
Pull these buns up.
All of the products are actually in this fridge for 2 full days, and it held perfect temp the whole time. I think we may have a winner. And if you look,
It has a little voltmeter too.
so you can see kind of voltage you're pulling in
Yes.
if you have it on a battery system.
A little pro tip, these little shelf liner, the little rubber ones, make great for underneath the cutting board so it won't slide on you. All right, we're gonna build our burgers. All right, tzatziki, sauce, some onions, and a nice big tomato. That's why I like tomatoes, big slices of tomatoes. So you'll have a nice tomato bite. Now keep your onions all nice and tucked in, and then we'll get the lettuce.
Woohoo!
I like to put the lettuce on bottom so that the juices from your meat don't just all soak into your bun, so your bun doesn't get too soggy.
That's pro tip.
Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. All right, our burger should be ready.
And it does dramatically affect what your burger tastes like.
The bite.
Yeah, that's what I was trying to say. But
Got our first lamb burger. Throw this one over. Sweet potato fries. All right, guys, that is our quick, fast lamb burger for
Yes.
lunch with our Tazatki Ranch.
And on the fly Tazatki Ranch.
Yes, man. Under 30 minutes, we have everything ready to go. Now, the video will probably be shorter, but it took us.
About 29 minutes.
So let's dive into this bad boy. Juicy.
Yes, it is. That son of a gun is juicy. Look at that.
Yeah. Put a diapers on yours. All right. Whoa. We're gonna finish this up, guys, and of course we'll have kind of the recipe and how we made it all for you. Check out our website, outdoortestkitchen.org, and
And you have no reason not to make a burger for lunch.
yes, at the campsite, at home, anywhere. Better than going out to eat. So
Yes, it is.
always remember, keep camping and keep cooking.
Yeah.
Oh, good. Now I am grumpy. Somebody is grumpy.
I was trying to make sure it was all synced.
The sink's over there. Oh, that's a good joke.